Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about more JavaScript interview questions. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Alright, so the first question is, what is callback function? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is then invoked inside the outer function. Callbacks are fundamental to asynchronous programming and event handling in JavaScript. So in this example, do something async is a function that simulates an asynchronous operation using set timeout. It takes callback as an argument. Callback function is the callback function passed to do something async. When do something async completes its asynchronous operation after 2 seconds, in this case, it calls the callback function. The main program demonstrates calling do something async with callback function. You will see that starting async operation and async operation initiated are logged immediately, but async operation completed and callback function executed are logged after the asynchronous operation is completed. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. So the next question is, what are promises? Promises are objects representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. They provide a cleaner and more structured way to handle asynchronous code compared to callback functions. So in this example, the fetch data function returns a promise. Inside the promise constructor, there is a simulation of asynchronous operation fetching data, which resolves with the fetch data after a timeout of 2 seconds. The then method is used to handle the fulfillment of the promise when it's resolved and receive the result. The catch method is used to handle the rejection of the promise when it's rejected and receive the error. You can also change the multiple then calls to handle multiple asynchronous operations sequentially. This is one of the benefits of promises as it leads to more readable and maintainable code. So the next question is, what is async or await and how does it work? Async or await is a syntactical sugar for handling asynchronous code in a more readable and synchronous-like manner. It is built on top of promises and simplifies the process of working with asynchronous operations. So in this example, fetch data is an async function that returns a promise that resolved after 2 seconds with a success message. Process data is another async function where we are using await to pause the execution until the fetch data promise resolves. Inside the try block, we are awaiting the result of fetch data and then log in the received data. If any error occurs during the execution of fetch data, it will be caught in the catch block. This code demonstrates how async or await simplifies the handling of asynchronous operations, making the code easier to read and write compared to using traditional promise chains or callback functions. Okay, now, so the next question is, what's the difference between the spread operator and the rest operator? The spread operator triple dot is used to expand elements in arrays or objects, while the rest operator is used to collect elements into arrays or objects. Understanding their distinct roles is crucial for manipulating data structures. So in this sum function in the rest operator, so numbers collect all the arguments passed to the function into a single array named numbers. Okay, now, so the next question is, what are default parameters? Default parameters allow you to assign default values to function parameters, ensuring that they have value even if not explicitly provided. This feature enhances flexibility and readability in function declarations. So in this example, the greet function has 2 parameters, name and message, with default values guest and hello respectively. When the function is called without arguments greet, it uses the default values resulting in hello guest. If only one argument is provided, greet John, the first argument overrides the default value of name and the default value of message is used, resulting in hello John. When both arguments are provided, greet Alice hi, both default values are overridden, resulting in hi Alice. So here's example. So the next question is, what is the difference between implicit and explicit coercion? So implicit coercion occurs when our JavaScript automatically converts one data type to another, while explicit coercion involves manually converting data types using functions like parse int or number. Understanding coercion is crucial for preventing unexpected behavior. So the first example is JavaScript implicitly converts a string 5 to a number string number 5 and then performs the addition operation with the number 10, resulting in 105. And in the next example, explicit coercion is number x explicitly coerces the string 10 to a number 10, and then addition is performed with the number 5, resulting in 15. So here's example. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned these JavaScript interview questions. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.